everybody. It's Sarah Cray with Let's Make Art. And today we are doing day 9 of our 12 days of giveaway. If you guys don't know what we are doing, essentially every day for 12 days, we are highlighting small businesses and doing giveaways to celebrate you guys for being here and the support that you show. If you are just tuning in, we have some really cool stuff that we've given away. Handmade paints, custom brushes, custom palettes, lamps.
Lots of stuff.
Lots of things. And it has been so fun to see your guys' reaction to this and also the excitement behind these small businesses. I've seen a lot of comments of people saying, oh my gosh, I'm going to go buy something from there now, or thank you for introducing me. So that is exactly what I was hoping for. I really want you guys to show their support because makers make the world go round. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
Okay, so for today, our giveaway is essentials for your ARTsenal. Okay.
ARTsenal.
So there are a few things in here. The vehicle in which all of these things come in is this really cute canvas tote from Tuxbury and Wit. It is art supply themed, which I thought was perfect for our llamas. And then the lucky winner inside will also have these fantastic goodies. One of them is a heated craft tool. This is something that I use literally every single day to dry my watercolors. It just makes painting landscapes a breeze. I love it so much. There's that. The next thing you'll get, Holbein soft tape. This is my favorite tape. This is the only tape I use. I've never experienced tape that provides such a consistent clean edge and also never tears my paper. So we have 3 rolls here. 2 of them are the 1/2 inch. 3/4 inch, and one of them is the 1/2 inch. So this is my favorite tape. You'll get 3 rolls of that. And then the last small business we are highlighting is called the Gray Muse. They do enamel pins and beautiful quality enamel pins. And they have a section just for the artists. And I had the hardest time narrowing down which ones to get. So as you can see, I just decided to get a bunch. But look at this color wheel. It actually moves.
It's so cute.
It's an interactive color wheel. And then this pin says, will work for art supplies. I know you know that you get that. And I am creative. And also this cute paintbrushes in a mason jar.
You would be the talk of the ball if you wore any of these on your lapel.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah,
or
absolutely.
if you want to put them on your cute little canvas tote bag.
Ooh, I like that too.
Yeah. Okay, so the lucky winner is going to receive all of these things. They get this whole bag filled with all these goodies. Okay?
Are we ready to find out who it is?
Drum roll, please.
The winner of today's giveaway, day 9, is Regina Schwitz.
Regina, congratulations. Thank you so much for following along, for painting with us. I hope you enjoy these essentials that you can add to your ARTsenal. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this. And I'm excited for you to receive these goodies and play with them. We are going to list all of these businesses in the caption. So if you want to go take a look at what they have to offer or order some things of your own, please do. I think that's all I have to say.
Excellent.
Thank you, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.